Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 5 of this build. Let's get started. So we're going to continue working on this, especially with the roof, as we're going to need to add in some walls here so that we can enclose this and it will look like an attic. So with this, I just want to change this to a arch window, so it looks better on this spot. And let's change this height, so maybe we could change this to a bigger one. And this one as well. So it looks better. So let's go to level 2 and we're gonna split this and here. And once you split this, go to 3D, and now you can highlight the split wall, and you can now move it upwards and attach it to here. Once this is attached, we can go back to south elevation and we could move this or extend this more. Let's look at it at 3D. Looks better. So next thing we're gonna do is, let's see if we could add a window here. So let's go to insert, load family, and go back to window, and let's look for a window for this spot. I kind of like to add this, so I'm gonna open and then add it here on this location. Go to south elevation and we could manually change it from there. We're gonna fix that later on, so for now let's move this below here, this window as well. So I would like to extend this actually upwards. Something like that. And we need to do something about this. So I'm planning to put some in-place mass here and create something in this part. We're gonna add in some walls. So go to level 2. Might as well level 1. And then add in an exterior wall. So let's add this wall and then CS. So I'm just putting it for now, and then go to 3D, and then we actually need to go to level 2 just to see this line. So exterior wall again. And then after that, we will need to extend this. So I'm going to move this a little bit there inside. And then now we need to attach it. And then move it like that. And then do an align. And we could go and add this as well here. And then let's add in a roof right here. So we're gonna use model in place. Let's save this for now. And let's use generic model. Press OK. And then let's set the plane. I'm gonna pick a plane and I'm gonna use this plane. Once that's done, we could use an extrusion. Click on rectangle first. Something like that. And then after that, let's add this one. Slanted like that. And then we could trim this out. TR. And then just delete this line. Once you're done, we can actually align this onto this floor. And then once you're done, we just need to extrude it like that. We can change the height, something like this. And then before we click finish, it's better to change the material. So I'm gonna use this countertop for now. Or actually this damp proofing first. And then click finish. and just click finish, and we have this one. You can change the height now. So why did I change it to this generic model in place? It's because it's easier to manipulate. So I could stretch it like that or pull it back. So it's easier like that. So that's why I did that. So we're gonna change this. I want to align this one to this top. So instead, let's go to north elevation and just use the arrow key, and it looks good enough for that. In level 2, let's add in some railing. So I'm gonna add this rail. I'm gonna change it to glass panel, and let's add it here. And then click finish. So we add it there. I want to extend this a little bit outside. And then I want to align this to that face. So let's go to level 2. And that after that, let's double check if it's aligned. So it looks like it's aligned. So it will look like that. And then let's go to level 1. And let's add in some streets. Or instead, I will plan to split the wall. So go to modify and then click on split element or SL. I'm gonna split it on this side. This one. And then let's look at it at 3D. So this is split now. And we're gonna split on the level 2 as well. So this and this. So what I'm planning to do is we will have this as a different finish, so material. So I'm gonna duplicate exterior 1, duplicate, it will be exterior number 2, and then after that let's change this to stone. So I'm gonna use this marble, or let's go to stone here and then pull this up, marble, apply, then okay. So now that one is marble, this one as well to be 2. Let's go to 3D and change this. And then this one, level wall number 2 as well. So this will be stone now. And then I want this to be the same as the rest. Then we have the roof, which will be the same. And then after that, on the next video, we're gonna create some sweep so that we could add in more details. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.